Shit. Another try. I'm too deep. I don't really care. I don't really care. Just give me by no will. Ginagastos ko na to para sa kanya. I don't really care. Please. 4. 4! Tapos high yung crit damage max. I'm not asking. I'm not asking for much. Okay lang matalo ko ng 50-50, laging 78 PT pataas. I don't really care. Just give me this one. I don't really care. This one. Sanay na ako matalo ng 50-50 hard PT. Okay lang sa akin yan. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Kasi sanay na ako eh. Sanay na ako. Sa lahat ng gasa nilaro ko, ganun ako eh. Pero, Activax lang, dun talaga ako minamanas. Hindi ko matanggap yan. Why? Because I've been farming that domain 3 years ago. Kaya sumuko na ako. Pero, please lang. I'm not asking for much. Ito, bakit yan? Mababa yung crit damage, pero this one's max. Pinaklit rate is good too. Please, I'm not asking for much. I'm not asking for much. Mayroon na akong pasok next, 2 days na lang. 2 days na may pasok na. O bukas na may pasok na. Please. Back to school na to. At hindi back to school ko. No. Ito na back to school ko. Genshin. I've been playing your game. I've been loyal. Kahit di ako, kahit pure free to play lang ako. But, dedicated ako. Di ako nagrereklamo sa mga update. Wala lang buff si Noel, lang yung ayoko. Pero ito lang. Please. I'm not asking for much. We're doing it. Holy. That's, wait, 21. 48! Hindi, 42.8! Crit value! I'm gonna see. So this, go this. Holy shit. Imagine, may stone treasure. What? Ay, maling. This is main wood. Not gonna say anything. Let's check. This one, ito na lang yung problema ko. I have to use feather here. I'm gonna use feather here. Ang ganda ng stats eh. Kalanin na lahat. Maliban lang dito. Pero, anything else maganda naman. Yung taas secret na to eh. Damage. So, this, good rolls. Yan, no? 40, hindi. Basta 43 ata. 43, 45 ata to. And this one, ang juicy. At least pwede, na. At dito, ito na yung maganda din to. Mga sa 40 lang to. Pero, that's fine. I have to just, hindi. Ito sa ganda din to kasi mas. Ayan lang. Ay! Wow, may the way is getting better, man. That's